Hey, everybody, good morning. I just wanted to show you my inbox and the emails because you know that we paid over $1,400 for records and emails that took over 3 months to receive. I'm very transparent. I don't have a problem showing you what we received. And this is, and we did ask for press releases to be omitted from the request. So this is from April 6th of 2018. I'm just going to scroll through here and you'll be able to see. It's going to go real fast. And we're scrolling. This is quite a few, of course. I mean, we're talking about every week. And this is to 6/1/2017. So every week you can see there's multiple duplicates here. Duplicate. Now, mind you, we paid for all these duplicates. And then when I go down here, this is all part of the same thing. This is what I pulled the emails from that I posted in the group yesterday. And I'm just going to kind of scroll through here so you can see. I mean, Eminent Matter, duplicate, different email. We're just going to kind of go through here, and then I'm going to start going fast because there's a bunch, but there's a bunch of duplicates on here. But you'll see this is all Eric Hatfield and all that good stuff. But this goes back to 2014 also. And you'll see right here, again, all Lawler Auction Company stuff that we paid for. So, I just wanted to kind of give you an insight of what we actually got. So you don't think we're hiding anything, because we absolutely aren't. But those are all the emails. So we know for a fact that emails were omitted, because if you go up here, and I'll show you, let's see, here's a good one. Like, this is to Danny Lawler and Bobby Herring, and this is the text that I sent him, which opened a criminal investigation. And I'll show you what the text said. This is when he posted a picture of my husband on his Facebook page. This is what I said. Yep, that's exactly what I said. Not ashamed. And he started a criminal investigation. Oh, Lordy. So, just want to kind of go in here and show you guys. It's very rare that we're going to see a reply from anybody. And there's multiple ones because they're made out to multiple people. So I guess they pull each one. So just wanted to kind of give you an insight of what the emails look like that we received. And I